In this video, I will show you how to turn off screen reader on your Roku TV. Now, over here I have a TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the brand of Roku TV you have. If you're currently having your Roku TV talk back to you, just like this.
Channels button to a in main menu, home, live TV button, Netflix, live. Home button 1 of 3.
Now obviously this can be very annoying, and in few seconds I am going to show you how to stop any Roku TV you have from talking. And to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Roku TV. So from the home of the TV, you just want to scroll down to settings over here. I'm just going to reduce the volume now. And then from the settings, you want to scroll over to the right, then scroll down to where you have the accessibility settings over here. Scroll over to the right once again, and then scroll down to where you have screen reader. Now go ahead and select this, and then make sure that screen reader is turned off by selecting off. Now once you select off, automatically the screen reader on your Roku TV will be turned off. So your Roku TV will no longer be talking anymore. I can go ahead and increase the volume now. And as you can see, I can now navigate through apps on my Roku TV without the TV talking back to me. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.